it is here. 31 days. Right now, I'm in it. It's day 31. I have successfully already shined my sink. I have my load of laundry already moved over to the dryer. I am catching up from yesterday. Now, day 30 ended up being quite a heavy work day for me. So in addition to the day 30 being a very heavy work day, my son was also with grandma. So I had this opportunity to just kind of relax all night. And I decided, since we learned we don't like the P word, which is perfection in the FlyLady system, I decided to take the night off. So I did not get my decluttering. I know it's my favorite part of the day, but I did not get it done day 30. I did not get my 5-minute hotspot done. And I didn't go to bed with a shined sink. But day 31, I'm all about embracing getting rid of my perfectionist mindset. And day 31, I woke up, I made my coffee, I worked out, I showered and got dressed, and I enjoyed my coffee, made breakfast, shined the sink, tidied up the kitchen. You could say it was my 5-minute room rescue makeup from yesterday. It went so quickly. Even putting off doing the dishes, shining the sink, cleaning the kitchen, as a hotspot or the 5-minute room rescue yesterday, it still went so quickly this morning that it didn't even really, if you've been watching and keeping up with me, you know that if I skip a day of decluttering, I always make it up the next day. So today, I am going to be doing 2 decluttering sessions, and I'm moving to a room we have not touched, but if you were just listening, my son is at grandma's, so what better opportunity than now to declutter and get to spend 30 minutes in his playroom. I have done several playroom videos. I've gotten so many tips on how to keep it clean, but it's overwhelming. It's not even fun to play in right now. And I think he agrees with that, but I know there's some things in there that he does not play with, he does not like. So I'm gonna go through and see what I can declutter, keeping in mind I want to respect his 3-year-old mindset of the toys he loves and that he has a connection with. I'm going to be mindful of what I'm deciding to declutter in that room. We're making up for yesterday. Today's kind of a doubled up day, and I am so excited to do a final walkthrough. But let me tell you about what day 30 is, or 31 is for the FlyLady. So let's learn about day 31, the final day in our 31 days. Let's hear what the FlyLady has to tell us, okay? Don't get bogged down by wanting to know everything about our system. Maybe I would have saved a lot of eye rolls if this was like way in the beginning. No regrets, you guys. I know I still want to get my house cleaned, you know, the vacuuming, the dusting, the deep cleaning, which I'm understanding now is the zones, where you deep clean specific areas of the house, which we haven't learned about in our baby steps. I know I'm digressing, but maybe that would have been helpful, and maybe it would have helped my attitude a bit, because if you all remember, I had some pretty rough days with some negative attitudes about doing the system and my frustrations with where I was at and not getting the things I expected to do done. But I was taking the system very literal and doing it as is, right? So that first sentence might have been helpful to me earlier on so as to keep a better positive mindset, but we can't go backwards. And here now, I'm happy to be hearing this, because again, I want to jump in and I want to do it all, because I finished my 31 days. I want to jump in and do it all. So this might, okay, I take it all back. Now that I'm saying that, it all makes sense. I want to jump in and do it all, day 32, right? But it's telling me that you can still take it slow. You can still do each day at a time. FlyLady. All right. So I'm gonna, As your clutter goes away, you will find that you will have time to do the zone detailed cleaning, the weekly home blessing, and some fun things that we do in our daily emails and on the website. You don't have to see the top of the staircase to take the first step or the 30th step. You just have to keep flying. Baby steps will get you there. You have done it. Now it is time to jump in where you are in our individual emails. Enjoy them and don't save them for tomorrow. You are flying now. Peace is found in the baby steps. I'm not rolling my eyes. I am going to remember I don't have to get bogged down because I 100% want to jump in full steam ahead and like do everything in my house. But I still have some decluttering to do in some specific rooms. So I think once I finish everything today, I will do some before and afters that you will get to see where I started back at the beginning of 31 days, where I am at the end of day 31. And then I think tomorrow, day 32, which doesn't exist, I'm gonna have to sign up for those emails, you guys. So I'm going to sign up for the emails and see where that takes me for day 32. I will be back in just a little bit because I'm going to go finish my tasks for the day. And then I think we'll do a wrap up. And because I know this is gonna get long, I think day 32 might be an official like wrap up and summary of where my brain is at after doing and completing 31 days. You guys, I am pretty much bursting with excitement. I'm bursting. So let's go get our stuff done. Let's go. Okay, this is the playroom in its current state. Oops. We're gonna do our 2 15-minute decluttering sessions. I've got water to stay hydrated. This is my little basket I've been using for decluttering to put stuff in to bring out to the garage sale. This is gonna be my trash because I don't think we'll have big stuff that needs to go in the trash. But the end of 15 minutes of declutter. What's in the basket is decluttered. That is looking better. And we're moving stuff this way. All right, we got 15 more minutes. All right, 15 minutes number 2. letter bin. Oh, I'm turning it. We got a garbage bag. We got, we have a kitty. See, she just doesn't want to let things go. This is what I deal with. She is on top of my garbage. So 2 30-minute sessions. Definitely see some progress. Of course, the stuffed animals just got moved. Okay, so today is actually turning into, so day 31, and I did meal planning on day 30, and I have a grocery list all set to go. So I'm gonna go get groceries. This is a basket that's just been catching things that need to go to the car, I need to go places. So I have a diaper donation, I have library books that need to be returned, and I got a notice that a book I've been wanting to read forever is officially in, so I'm gonna pick up my book. I have to pick up medicine for my dogs. So it's turning into an errand day. So see how long this takes. I think I might just set a stopwatch to see how long it takes me to grocery shop and run around town doing my errands. I have to stop at the post office to drop something off. So let's go.